Namaste children, this is Mausmi, your maths teacher. I hope you have understood and written your home assignment, but I asked you to post in the group, but some of you have submitted but all did not do. So I asked once again, you should submit your home assignment to the WhatsApp group. Okay, previous video we have learned chapter 2, numbers from 1 to 9. So already you have learned to write 1 to 9. Now today we will learn more about like count and write. So what you have to do, so many objects are there that you have to count and you have to write the number how many objects are there. Okay, let's see. See here some ice creams are there, which is your very favorite. Okay, so let us count 1, 2, 3, 4. So total how many? 4 ice creams are there. Okay, next, see, next we will count how many balloons are there. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many? Total 8 balloons are there. Okay, like that. Here so many color fishes are there. Okay, they are sea creatures. So all are not fish. Some crabs are there, octopus, seahorse. Okay, these all are sea creatures. So how many are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9. Now let's see. Some candles are there. Easily you can say how many candles? Yes, 3 candles are there. See here so many mangoes we have. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many mangoes are there? Total 7 mangoes are there. So we will neatly we can write. Next one, sun. So like that way in your textbook also so many objects are given that you have to count and write. Next we will learn to write the number name. Okay, so first 1, O-N-E, 1. Second 2, T-W-O, 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. 4, F-O-U-R, 4. 5, F-I-V-E, 5. S-I-X, 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. 8, E-I-G-H-T, 9, N-I-N-E. So like that way you also have to learn all the number name 1 to 9 and neatly you will write down in your notebook. Okay, so next, see, we already learned 1 to 9 number. Now we will see what comes before, what comes after, what comes in between. Okay, let's see. Now 2 is there. So what is written? After. That means what will come after? Comes after 2? 3. Next 5. What comes after 5? 6. Then 6. 6 after 7. 8. 8 after 9. So these all the number what comes after, just after the number. Okay, now we will see what comes before. So what I have written here? 4. So what number will come before 4? 3. Now 5. What number comes before 5? 4. Now 8. What numbers come before 8? 7. 2. What numbers comes before 2? 1. So before number how we will get? If we do the reverse counting, like 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So when we will do the reverse count, we will get the before previous number, that is what comes before. Now we will see what comes in between. So here the number is 1 and 2, 1 and 3. The number comes between 1 and 3 is 2. So 1, 2, 3. Now 5, 7. The numbers what comes in between 5 and 7? 6. Next 4 and 6. The numbers comes between 4 and 6 is 5. 7 and 9. The numbers comes between 7 and 9 is 8. Okay. So now we will see the textbook. Okay. Open your textbook, page number 43. Okay. So till 42 already you have finished. 43. So here what is? Name these things and write their numbers in the circle. So what object? First one what you can see? This is fish. So here what you will write? F-I-S-H. Fish. And how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in the circle you will write 7. Okay. So down you will write what is the object, then you will write in the circle the number counted. Okay, next one what is? How many? What is this? Books. So you have to write book and 2. So like that way you have to complete this one. So 3 baskets, 7 balloons, then 9 candles, 4 rats, 5 bells and 9 brushes. This is pen brush. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to color the which has more. That means you have to compare these two. See here how many water bottle it is has 4. Here how many glasses? 3. So 4 is more. Okay. So you have to color. Now next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls are there and 4 bats. So which one you will color? Yes, you will color balls. Here 2 flowers, 3 butterflies. So 3 is more than 2. So you will color 3 butterflies. Now here 3 nails and 4 hammers. So you will color 4 hammers. Okay. Now next you have 8 apples and 7 mangoes. So 8 is more than 7. Okay, what numbers come after? That is more numbers. So 8 is more than 7. So you have to color apples. Okay. So next what you have to do? You have to make an okay. So make equal, how you will do? So see, it is showing here. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. But here it was not 4. So you have to draw one circle and color, then you have to make it equal. So if we see this one, see here only 2 is there. Here how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is more. So we have to draw another 3 here. So let me do here, you can understand. See 1, 2, 3. So how many now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 5. Now we can write 5. Understood? So where it will be less, you have to. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here only 4. So another 2 you have to draw to make equal. Okay. So like that you have to complete. And this game you can play. You should join this one, and nicely you will get one fish and one, I will not say, you will get it. Very nice it will be. Okay, now you have to write the missing numbers. So already we have learned what comes before, what come after. So neatly here I have given. So here 5 in between. So before 5, 4, and after 5, 6. So like that you have to write. Okay, here before 6, see one empty is there before 6. So what number will come? 5. So like that way you have to complete. So what comes after 1? So 2 is there, that means 1, then next number, then after next number. Like that you have to write neatly. Okay. Then comes the concept of 0. 0 is, there is no number is called 0. Okay, that means what they are telling, the first the girl has 5 mangoes. Okay, she had already eaten 1 mango. So that means how many is remaining? 4. Again she has she eaten another one. So 3 mangoes are there. Again she has eaten another one. So now 2 mangoes are there. Now again she has eaten 1. So now it is 1 mango is. Lastly she has eaten last mango. 1 was there, that also. So now you tell me what is there in the basket. There is nothing in the basket. That means it was 5. Now it is nothing. That means it is 0. Okay, it becomes 0. So like that way, if you see this one, how many? First it has 4 birds, then 3, then 2, then 1. That also show you. So 0. Now there is no birds on the tree. So like that you can see. So how to write 0? So you should dot like this. Sorry. Neatly you will write with the dot. Okay, so here you will write like this way. You will complete this work. Okay, so this textbook work finished. Now let's see what you have to do in the homework book. Okay, this is your home assignment. Okay, so in home assignment, neatly you will write the number name 1 to 9 2 times in your classwork. So whatever you will do in the classwork, everything you will write in your classwork, whatever assignment I am giving. Okay, now already we have seen in the textbook that make equal. See, in this 3 plus sign is there, here 4. So in this way you have to make the equal. Similarly you will count and make equal by drawing. Okay, this is very easy. You can draw in your notebook. Okay, next one, you have to write what comes after, what comes before, and what comes in between. So neatly you will write. I have given, you have draw the box neatly and write. Now write the missing numbers. So this rabbit is too much fond of, you all know rabbit likes carrot. So this rabbit want to eat these carrots, but it can't go because all are gap. Okay, so you have to write the numbers and then it can jump, then it can reach to the carrot. So help this rabbit to get the carrots. Okay, so what you will do? All the missing numbers you will write here 1 to 9. I think you all have understood. Very easy lesson it is. Okay, so neatly you will complete your classwork notebook and you will, yes, you have to post in the group. I want to see how neatly you people are writing. Okay, because I will ask one test for you people. Okay, so I can next interaction session I will make you to ask the number name, or I can ask you to write the numbers, or I can ask you what comes after, before. So you all have to learn neatly these all things. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. So after completing your classwork, post in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Thank you children. Take care. Bye.